Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to follow friends on Spotify. Follow or add friends, whatever you want to call it, on Spotify. All right, let's begin. But before I start though, I'd like to let you know that I am using an iPhone. So if you're using Android, things might be slightly different for you, but it's basically the same concept and you should be able to follow along anyway. All right, open up the Spotify app. Once you have it open, look at the bottom of your screen. Currently, I'm at home. If you see the bottom of my screen, I have all this menu item. There's home, browse, and search. Tap on where it says search. And then for Android users, this little menu might be on the top. So that's one of the differences. Okay, click on search. Now, tap on, so when you click on search, then that shouldn't happen. It was something on my laptop. Tap on where it says search on the top. Search for your friend that you like to follow. Me is Kelly Ike. And it's one of my Facebook friends who's on Spotify. So I'll just tap on that, on his name. Oh, and then if it doesn't show on the top result, just go to scroll down to where it says profiles, all at the bottom. And if you click on where it says see all, this will show you all the results that came out from that search, okay? So tap on that friend, and then as you can see, just under their name and profile picture, it says follow. Click on where it says follow, and there you go. That's how you follow a friend on Spotify. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.